Sure.
Good morning, children of class 9th. Again we will study physics, but we will do numericals of exercise 3C, page number 70, and the same chapter 3, laws of motion. Now children, see this first numerical. A body of mass 5 kg is moving with velocity 2 meter per second. Calculate its linear momentum. Now children, we have to find the linear momentum, whatever it is given, so that we have to write. Given mass is 5 kg and with velocity v is given 2 meter per second. Momentum, linear momentum symbol is small p. This I have explained in my previous video, and the formula is p is equal to mass into velocity. This is a formula. Now see the unit. Units are SI unit, kg and meter second. These all are SI unit. So put the value. M is equal to mass 5 into velocity is 2. That is 10. Now coming to the unit. Unit is mass unit is kg and velocity unit is meter per second. So children, this is your answer. Now coming to the third numerical. A force of 15 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kg. Calculate the acceleration produced. Now children, again third numerical of your book only. What it is given? Force of 15 Newton. F is equal to 15 Newton. Acts on a body of mass 2 kg. M is 2 kg. Now what we have to find? We have to find acceleration. We have done Newton's second law of motion. Second law of motion formula is F is equal to m into a. This we have done. Now again you see the unit. Newton and mass unit is kg, means on SI unit put the value. Value of F is 15, mass is 2, into acceleration we have to find. Therefore A is equal to 15 by 2. That is your answer will come 7.5. Now see the unit. It is acceleration. Acceleration unit is meter per second square. Now children, coming to the sixth numerical. A force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 2 kg for 3 seconds initially at rest. And this I have explained you. If it is initially at rest, it means initial velocity is 0. That is u is 0. Calculate the velocity acquired by the body and the change in momentum of the body. So now we will write what is given. This is your sixth numerical. Force is given. F is equal to 10 Newton. Mass is 2 kg. And time is 3 seconds. And initially at rest means initial velocity 0. What we have to find? The final velocity, that is v we have to find, and change in momentum. Now children, you can see this thing. We know that F is equal to m into a. M into a, because here we don't know the acceleration. So from this formula we can find acceleration. Put the value. Tan is equal to mass is 2 into a. Therefore a is 10 by 2. That is acceleration is 5 meter per second square. Now children, what we have to find? We have to find v. V means final velocity. Now from the first equations of motion also we have done in the second chapter. V is equal to u plus at. Now put the value. V is equal to u is 0 plus a. Just now a we have find. 5 into time we know it is 3. So your answer will come 15. Now see the unit. It is velocity. So it will come 15 meter per second. Now the children, the second part was change in momentum of the body. Now the second part, this was your first part. Change in momentum. See, it is given by mv minus u. That is final velocity minus initial velocity. Now put the value. Value of mass, it is given over here 2 kg. This final velocity just now we have taken out minus u. We know it is 0. So it will come 30. Now momentum unit we know, kg meter per second. Now children, we will do this 8 numerical. See this figure. See this figure. It shows it is a velocity time graph. From the figure you see, it is velocity time graph of a particle of mass 100 gram. What is given? Mass is 100 gram. Moving in a straight line. Children, see this figure. Moving in a straight line. What you have to calculate? The force acting on the particle. Means you have to calculate the force acting on the particle. Now children, you don't know the acceleration over here. So you can find now time. You see here, time is given 5 seconds. So you can write it down. Time is equal to 5 seconds. From the graph you see, time is 5 seconds. And here velocity is 20 meter per second. This is 20 meter per second. So here you write it down. V is 20 meter per second. Now what you can find? Acceleration. Acceleration we know, change in velocity upon time. This also we have done in second chapter. Change in velocity. That is, now u also, you have to find the u. Children, see from the figure, u means initial velocity. Initial means the starting point. That is 0 here. 0 and the final is the 20. So here you write u is 0. Now put the value v. 20 minus 0 by time is your 5. So it will come 4 meter per second square. Now what we have to find? We have to find the force. Now force, the formula, this we know, F is equal to m into A. Now A we have taken out, but mass children, now see the unit. Mass is given in gram. Gram means it is CGS unit. You have to change it in kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. This you have to change it. So what you will do? Mass here. So when you will put the value, it will come mass 100 by 1000 into acceleration. You have taken out 4. Now you do the calculation. 0 to 0 cancel. So it will come 0.4 and see the unit. It is force. Force unit is Newton. Now children, coming to the 13 numerical. This is your 13 numerical. A car is moving with a uniform velocity of 30 meter per second. So uniform velocity, moving, that is u. U is 30 meter per second. It is stopped in 2 seconds by applying a force. 2 second, time is equal to 2 seconds. By applying a force, F is equal to 1500 Newton through its brakes. It is stopped. That is V is equal to 0. Stop means final velocity will be 0. What we have to find first? A part, the change in the momentum of the car. Change in momentum. So you can give this formula also. Change in momentum is equal to F into T. This also you can give 1500 into what is your T, time is your 2. So it will come 3000 kg meter per second. Now see the B part children. B part, the retardation produced. Retardation means this A. A you have to find. And for retardation, you can calculate from the first equation of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. What is your V? Your V is 0 is equal to U. U is 30 plus A. A you have to find into time 2 seconds. So now retardation means acceleration will come in negative. So here your A will come, acceleration is equal to minus 15 meter per second square. Now what you will say? Retardation is equal to 15 meter per second square. And here negative sign shows the retardation. Now children, the C part, the mass of the car. What you have to find? mass. So what you know, F is equal to M into A. F, you know, what is your F? 1500 meter. So put the value is equal to mass into A. A, acceleration, just now you have taken out 50. So your mass will be 100 kg. Now children, these numericals I have given for the homework. This is your homework. Do these numerical. Second, this is your assignment. Second, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. These numericals you have to do it in your physics register. And children, if you have any problem, you can ask from me. Thank you children.